It must surely be the most beautiful spot in a most beautiful city. The San Francisco Palace of Fine Arts was built in 1915 as part of the Panama Pacific Exposition. It was a chance to show the world the latest tech innovations. It was at this event when the first transcontinental phone call was made. The great Alexander Graham Bell made a call from here to his assistant in New York. These days, the palace is still used for tech exhibitions like this one, a gathering of companies specialising in drones. It's an industry which has grown massively. In 2013, sales of drones were worth just over $250 million worldwide, but by 2015 that had risen to $1.6 billion. So what could happen in 2016? All eyes here are on the US government. They're due to announce regulations later this month that will potentially open up new and legal ways to use drones, particularly for business cases.
So now we're in a position where by the end of this month we'll see a commercial rule come out which will allow for use of UAS technology for commercial purposes. I think there'll be some limits, but it's a first step in turning this incredible technology into viable tools for industry.
That will turn it on. You could see the lights growing here. That's the signal that it's on.
One company watching the US market especially closely will be Chinese tech giant Xiaomi. Last month, executive Hugo Barra went on Facebook to unveil the company's own drone. Like most of its products, the specifications of the Xiaomi drone are very high, but the price tag is expected to be considerably lower than its nearest Western rivals. But beyond just hardware, there are further opportunities to be had in building software and products that make use of drones. HiveMapper is a kind of Google Street View in the sky. It maps out what's beneath it to provide better navigational data to drone pilots.
I am concerned that regulation will take too long and that may slow the growth of the industry. I think the regulators are making smart decisions and they're very methodical about how they go about doing that. And it's just a matter of demonstrating to regulators and to society as a whole that they're safe and that they don't invade anybody's privacy.
Drone enthusiasts are doing their best to shake off an image of suspect safety and sometimes perhaps irresponsible flying. They want to move forward with building